Now in this lesson we work on problem solving by eliminating possibilities. Example 1. Find the odd number less than 32 that is divisible by 5 and when divided by 4 has a remainder of 3. Well, we're considering numbers less than 32 that are divisible by 5 to start with. So in our working, let's write divisible by 5. Those numbers would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, no need to go any further because the number is less than 32. We're also told that it is an odd number. So the odd numbers, let's see. Well, out of those numbers, which ones are odd? Well, the 5, the 15, and the 25. So we're eliminating some already. We're down to 3 possible numbers. We're also told that when divided by 4, it's got a remainder of 3. So dividing by 4, we get a remainder of 3. Let's go one by one. 5 divided by 4 would go once with a remainder of 1. 15, if we divided that by 4, well, 4 goes into 15 3 times, and a remainder of 3. So we'll circle that number. 25, if we divide by 4, well, 4 goes into 25 6 times, with a remainder of 1. So the only one we've circled is 15. The number is 15. Very good. Example 2. Caitlin, Judy and Kate are 3 friends, and their surnames are Limbers, Murray and Byrne, but not necessarily in that order. Miss Limbers has lived in Kenya, while Caitlin and Kate have never been there. Caitlin is a champion Irish dancer and competes often. Miss Murray's short, but successful, Irish dancing career had finished more than 6 years ago, and we need to find the full name of each girl. Well, that's their first names, Caitlin, Judy and Kate. Let's write them down. Their surnames, Limbers, Murray and Byrne. So we create a table and we write Limbers, Murray and Byrne as such. Now going through the clues, Miss Limbers has lived in Kenya. So in the Limbers column, we're going to put a K in each of those spaces. K for Kenya. Now we're told that Caitlin and Kate have never been there. So where we've got Caitlin next to the K for Kenya, we can cross that out. Same with Kate. All right, Kate hasn't been to Kenya, so let's cross that out as well. And straight away we've already got one answer. In the Limbers column, the only one that's not crossed out is for Judy. So let's give that a tick. And so we know it's going to be Judy Limbers. So in other words, Judy Murray, Judy Byrne, it's not going to be that. We can cross those ones out. Next clue. Caitlin is a champion Irish dancer and competes often. So in the Caitlin row, we're going to write ID for Irish dancing. Now, Miss Murray's short but successful Irish dancing career had finished more than 6 years ago. So in other words, Miss Murray is not the current Irish dancer. So where we've got Miss Murray with Irish dancing there, let's cross that out. So what does that leave? Caitlin must be Caitlin Byrne. There's only one position there that's not crossed out. Let's give that a tick. And looking at the Murray column, 2 positions are crossed out. The only third position, give that a tick. So I think we've got everybody. We've got Caitlin, Byrne, we've got Judy, Limbers, and finally we've got Kate, Murray. So the girls are Caitlin Byrne, Judy Limbers, and Kate Murray.